Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to be learning about rounding. I'm sure you know very well that in math and in any computation, there's always rounding. Rounding and remainders and streaming and all kinds of things. So let's do a quick little function that is perfect for rounding. Let's figure out tax. So we have our price. We have the actual tax rate. So we're just going to return, actually let's just keep this simple. Print price times tax. Okay, so tax, let's do 25, and we'll just copy this a couple of times. So change this to 31.25. That's, my fingers are just being lazy. Okay, 89.15, 13.89, and let's do 7.78. Okay, let's make sure. All right. So okay, these are some good ones. Okay, look at all this junk right here. So this, if we would want to put this in some sort of print statement or all kinds of stuff, we'd have all kinds of gobbledygook. So let's look at round. Awesome. Built-in function, takes in a number, takes in how many digits you want, rounded number to a given precision, defaults at 0, and here's the important thing, returns. So alright, let's wrap this in our newly learned function. So it takes the number, comma, and then a digit, and we want it to round to two digits. Here we go. And what'd I do? Just if we haven't done this enough, if it fails out here, I usually forget a parentheses on the line before. So let's count them. 1, 2, 1. And lo and behold, I was right. And as you can see right here, it didn't gray out. Python will always help you and gray out what you need. Let's rerun this. Perfect. That looks more like dollar amounts. And you could get fancy and put these inside a print format, a string format, and get the dollar sign and make it all kinds of pretty. So that's rounding with Python. So don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, because we are putting videos out once a day now. So please leave any comments, questions, or my favorite video requests, and I will get right to them. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys are getting something out of this, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.